Hello, my dear students. I must congratulate you for your patience, adapting to the situation and learning online. I must admire that DYPMS has recorded the highest online attendance of 99.5%. A huge appreciation to all of you. Let me show you what my colleagues want to share with you.
Dear students, I hope you all are in good mental and physical condition during this lockdown due to COVID-19. This is a difficult situation, guys, but in this difficult situation also the show must go on. For us, the show is to complete the academic activities, and in this line DYPMS is conducting regular online lectures through Zoom to complete the academic activities.
गुरुर् ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. Being a teacher is a journey. Teaching always kept me connected with my curiosity and quest for knowledge. I have so much gratitude for each and every student of mine who helped me to establish as a teacher and accepting me the way I am. We have heart-to-heart connection, students, and that's why you all are very precious for me. So please take very good care of yourself, stay happy, stay at home, stay connected, and we will meet you soon.
Hello everyone. We have come to know that you all are collecting funds to fight against COVID-19, especially DYPMS Rotarians. I want to add that some of our alumni are also serving the community. Few are distributing food packets to hungry one, few are sanitizing the society, few are spreading the awareness how to get protected from the COVID-19 through digital platforms. We are happy to see such value-based leaders from DYPMS who all are serving the nation.
Hello everyone. As India is going for an extended period of lockdown, my heartfelt gratitude to all the Indians who are working relentlessly very hard to make our India COVID-free. I would express and tell all my students to adhere to the lockdown rules. Stay home, stay safe and stay positive. Thank you.
हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, हाउ आर यू ऑल? क्वारंटाइन कैसा चल रहा है सबका? आज क्या नया बनाया था रेसिपी घर पे? आई कीप सीइंग योर स्टेटस एवरीडे, राइट? पढ़ाई वगैरह चल रही है कि नहीं साइड बाय साइड? आई एम श्योर जूम लेक्चर्स के साथ साथ पढ़ाई भी जम के हो रही होगी. असाइनमेंट्स एंड ऑल कर रहे हो कि नहीं? गुड. आई एम श्योर, आई एम सो प्राउड ऑफ यू that you guys have adapted to the situation so well. I sincerely appeal to all of you that not to take this virus casually. It's highly dangerous and fatal. You know, the power of invisible is always beyond the visible. Like the invisible God has billions of worshippers. The invisible mind controls the human life. And now the invisible virus has shut the entire world. I pray to God to keep us all safe and give us the strength to fight this pandemic. जाने से पहले गुलजार जी के चंद लाइनें आपके सामने पेश करने चाहती हूँ. बेवजह घर से निकलने की जरूरत क्या है? मौत से आंखें मिलाने की जरूरत क्या है? सबको मालूम है बाहर की हवा है कातिल, यूं ही कातिल से उलझने की जरूरत क्या है? जिंदगी एक नेमत है, उसे संभाल के रखो. कब्रगाहों को सजाने की जरूरत क्या है? दिल बहलाने के लिए घर में वजह है काफी, यूं ही गलियों में भटकने की जरूरत क्या है? घर में रहिए, सुरक्षित रहिए. थैंक यू एंड मिस यू ऑल.
Hello dear students. People expect to be bored by e-learnings. Let's show them it doesn't have to be like that. Kevin Bean said these words, and we are the people from DYPMS, teachers and students, we proved it. And by this e-learning system, we are studying for tomorrow's skills today. So stay at home, be connected. Thank you.
Hello friends, I hope everybody is doing fine. I know everybody is going through a very rough phase at the moment, and it's very important for all of us to utilize our time properly. So I would suggest you to invest more of your time in learning certain skills. That is, you can focus on your computers, some languages, you can read a lot of newspapers, you can read nice novels, you can watch nice English movies, news channels, debates, which will help you to continue this process of learning go really smooth, and you will learn a lot of things which will be benefit for you, for your betterment, and which will help you to get a nice job in your future. So I wish you all the best. Thank you.
Dear students, tough situations call for smart decisions to sail through smoothly. That's what DYPIMS stands for. We are confident that you all will triumph. Thank you all. Be safe.
Hello everyone, how are you and your family? I hope you all are great. I just wanted to say you all, this is the great time. Be physically and mentally stronger and fitter to overcome this situation. A few lines to say you all, लम्हे बहुत देखे हैं, ये लम्हे भी बीत जाएंगे. छोटी छोटी बात पर अमल करो, फिर हम सब जीत जाएंगे. Waiting to see you all in the campus very soon. Take care of yourself and your family. Goodbye.
Good afternoon, my dear students. I am really happy to come to know that all of you are attending online classes. I must appreciate your involvement in online learning. I hope that all of you will score very good marks in online exam. I also want to request each one of you that to stay home and stay safe. Thank you.
गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स. लम्हा लम्हा कहता है हमसे, मैं आज हूँ मुझे जी ले. उन खुशनुमा पलों की तरह ये मुश्किल भरा वक्त भी गुजर जाना है. फिर न कहना दोस्तों कि जिंदगी में वक्त कहाँ होता था. कल तक जो न कर पाए वो आज ही कर जाना है. स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज द टाइम for you to rethink and realign your positive energies to make yourself stronger mentally, physically, and spiritually. This time has taught us three things: that accepting and embracing change does matter, relationships does matter, ethics and values does matter. Me, along with DYPMS, we are all here with you to help you reach where you want to. Thank you.
Hello everyone, nice to see you all. Just a small message from my side. Take care of yourself, be safe, stay home, take care of your family members. We all together have to fight against this COVID-19 outbreak by taking all the precautionary measures. We people are very happy to see you online, attending the lectures, being interactive. And just don't forget my own subject, that is DT and GST. Just keep in mind in this context, DT is just don't trust the rumors and stay at home, take all the precautionary measures. I feel that this is the first time, or maybe the first time, that all the teachers, the faculty members are very happy to see the students online catching the mobile in their hand. And as this is the only way, this is the only mode through which we are able to connect with our students, we are able to see that our students are good, our students are safe at their homes. So do attend the lectures. As of now, the lectures attendance is very good. And yes, we hope that this particular COVID-19 outbreak will be able to definitely fight against this. And very soon the situation will become normal. By the time the situation becomes normal, we have to continue with my own GST subject, that is Ghar Se Training. So missing you all. Take care. See you soon.
Hi everyone. Hope you all are doing well and you guys are healthy and safe. While you are at home, keep your mind active. Use this opportunity to learn new things on your own or with your family members. Miss you guys. Hope to meet you soon.
Hello, good morning, all of you. I hope you all are safe and healthy. I miss each and every one of you. Each one of us and the entire world is affected by the coronavirus. Please stay at your home and study for the exams. We all are supporting you and will supporting you always.
Hello everyone. We are home quarantined due to coronavirus and we are working from home. The lockdown period is going on, but I want to say something about the lockdown. Lockdown may end or may not end, even by May ends, as it may extend, but May will end by May end, as it may not wait for the lockdown to end.
नमस्कार, कसे आहात? बबू काळे उर्फ वसंत पुरुषोत्तम काळे, मराठीतील एक सुप्रसिद्ध लेखक. आज त्यांचाच एक प्रेरणादायी विचार मी तुम्हाला सांगू इच्छिते. झुंज. वादळे जेव्हा येतात तेव्हा आपण आपल्या मातीला घट्ट रुजून राहायचं असतं. ती जितक्या वेगाने येतात तितक्याच वेगाने निघूनही जातात. वादळ महत्वाचं नसतं. प्रश्न असतो की आपण त्यांच्याशी कशी झुंज देतो आणि त्यातून कितपत बऱ्या अवस्थेत बाहेर येतो याचा. धन्यवाद.
I feel proud of my faculty colleagues and I must respect every one of them for their diligent work. They all work from home more than work from workplace. Amazing task. Kudos to my fantabulous team. I must make a mention of non-teaching too for keeping the track of happenings at administrative level. And I love you all for coping with the ambiguous situation, but mind well, you are the ones who shall rise from these days with innovative ideas, businesses, and shall manage those well in the long run. All the best. The famous ghazal writer Nida Fazli has said, अपनी मर्जी के कहाँ अपने सफर के हम हैं, अपनी मर्जी के कहाँ अपने सफर के हम हैं, रुख हवाओं का जिधर का है उधर के हम हैं. See you all very soon. The same Nida Fazli, composed by Jagjit Singh, has said, मिलना जुलना जहाँ जरूरी हो, मिलने जुलने का हौसला रखना, मिलने जुलने का हौसला रखना. See you soon.